Ready to create eye-catching thumbnails that skyrocket your YouTube success? If so, stick around. 90% of top YouTubers right now are focusing highly on creating great thumbnails that create an impact, grab people's attention, and get them to their YouTube channel to help increase their views. The problem with poorly designed thumbnails is that people will scroll right by your content and never even click on it, even if it's being shown to them in the YouTube feed. And we definitely don't want that if we're trying to grow a YouTube channel. Okay, so let's talk about the 3 elements that are really important to have in your thumbnail that will help increase views. Number 1, it needs to be a quality image. You don't want it blurry, you don't want it pixelated, you want it a crisp, clear photo image on your thumbnail. Number 2, you want clear text that can get your concept across quickly with as few words as possible. Number 3, eye-catching colors. You want your thumbnail to stand out, to pop, really grab and catch the viewer's attention. So you don't want to use dull colors or colors that fade into the background, but rather colors that really pop, that make the viewer want to click on your content. Your thumbnail should clearly explain what your video is about so that it would pique the interest of the viewer to want to click on it. One great way to think about this is to think about movie posters that you see at the theater. That really grabs your attention and really tells you quickly what the whole story is about, whether it's an action film, whether it's a romance film. It's got a few words, just the title of the movie on it is formatted in such a way that it looks balanced and it catches your attention. So you're creating like a mini poster of what people will find inside this movie of yours. A really popular strategy right now is a close-up picture of someone's face and a few words and bright colors. That is a really big thing right now. Or if your topic is about dogs, maybe a really close-up of a dog and then some words about what the video is about and then bright colors. With regards to text, you want it to be bold text, you want it to be heavy text that really stands out, not like light and airy text that's really hard to read. You want to be able to shrink down your thumbnail to a very small, as small as you possibly can, and see if you can still read it. So that is a really good test if your thumbnail is good. On your computer, shrink it down to 10% view and look at it and see if you can actually understand it. If you go into YouTube and you upload your thumbnail, when you're looking at that thumbnail on the screen, if you can't read it, then I would definitely consider redoing it before you upload your video. Remember, simplicity is key here with thumbnails. You don't want to pack it in with a bunch of images or a busy image or lots of words or lots of colors. Very, very basic. Think very simple. Think a few colors, think one image, and an image that's not busy, really basic text that gets your point across quickly. Also text that includes keywords that people would be using to find your video. Hey guys, if you are getting value from this content, please hit the subscribe button and the like button for this video. It's greatly appreciated. Thanks, back to the video. And to summarize again, the 3 key elements is high quality image, clear text, and eye-catching colors. I want to encourage you for your next video upload to apply these tips and test it and see what happens. And of course, go on to big YouTubers channels and check out what they're doing. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Look at what they're doing, get inspiration from their feed and their thumbnails, and start to implement them, and then see how well your videos do in the near future. Great, thanks you guys for watching. If you want to learn more, check out these videos over here. Thank you again. Bye-bye.